So here I am talking about two planets of the solar system, the moon and the Uranus and the Neptune. Why they are not like in a way, in a financial way and currency way? Why these two planets basically are totally something in the currency and financial ways? Other two planets are like Uranus and Saturn. They are in certain way financially. These planets are seen as so much like something so much like in a way something so much like back in a financial way. Why these planets are seen as very financially back? And that they have huge potential of building great finances. They have huge potential of building great finances. These planets, number moon, Uranus, Neptune, Saturn, huge huge of the huge potential of building wealth, creation of wealth very powerfully. But what happened with them? Why they are creating very less amount of wealth, or why they are creating the amount of wealth that is really very like what in this present scenario of the world? Here billions and trillions are like flowing this and this and this like this. So these planets must be repaired, or this planet must be totally understood, and they must perform the things of that particular scenario or that particular sector for their own growth, for their own abundance, for their success. How to manage their energies to flow with, how to manage the energy and flow with, that's important. Like the moon, for example, first I'm taking the moon. Moon's energy is sensitive, emotional, visionary, images thinking, okay, and right brain. These are the things of the right moon. So when I'm talking about moon, what will be going to happen here? What is going to happen here when I'm going to talk about moon? Moon is basically the planet of mother planet. When I'm talking about it, it's about planet of mother, totally mother's planet. So basically it has to focus on the sectors which can build wealth that are related to certain nurturing, motherly attitude, nurturing attitude, and all these softer qualities, comfortable qualities, peaceful qualities of a mother. The planet is related to that scenario, totally a feminine planet, totally a mother planet. So all the aspect of mothers and motherly things should be added to generate wealth from the planet. If a person is born with moon, to be aware about, this is a planet of mothers, totally a nurturing planet, loving planet, caring planet, romantic planet, whole set of a mother planet. And this is the mother planet I'm saying. So within that, the energy need to be balanced. For example, if a person is born with a moon and it need a support, cooperative number, it's a very cooperative number, so it need cooperation of what? Which number is best for moon to be cooperate and get into ahead in businesses and all these things? That is sun. Sun is the most powerful number to balance moon's energy in doing anything, okay. Others are there like 5 number, 6 number, 9 number are there, but moon best equipped with sun, that's best. Others are also there, others can be equipped in the name to get marvelous result in the life, marvelous result in the whole life scenario. They definitely get, if they learn how to manage their energies, how to get with proper naming themselves, proper name and proper solution for themselves, okay. So what happened here? So basically they must move toward businesses. First of all, this is the first sector of business. They shouldn't go with any other thing. They must go with earning independently, with businesses firstly, and with best name, sun name they must go with businesses, okay. And their sector is liquid sector, nurturing sector, motherly sectors, all these softwares, peaceful quality sectors. Hotel industry is there, entertainment industry there, vegetation industry there, beauty industry there, motherly industry there, baby care industry there, softer peaceful industry there. Like it could build mansions in the jungles and forest where top lavish visits for living and solitude in peace. These type of ideas are there. New creative ideas to generate, like in between the sea, a peaceful place is designed, a peaceful island designed, where mansion is there, where so many things are there, very marvelous things are there in the islands and all. This is the island concept, Manson concept, this is jungle concept, all the forest, all the adventurous concept of the moon. Not about adventurous, peaceful concept. Adventure is also the, it's highly adaptable number. Its entertainment qualities are highly powerful. Musical qualities are highly powerful. Musical industry is very powerful for moon. Entertainment industry is very powerful for moon. Acting industry, film industry is very powerful for moon. Film industry, acting industry, all these industries are very powerful for moon. Okay, very powerful for moon. Eventually, by applying number one, it gets into highly technologized industry like technology industry, any technical sector, car industry, car businesses, vehicle industry, any manufacturing industry. It gets into with applying name as sun. It is going to be marvelous in the electronics, technology, and manufacturing industries. All okay, it is going to do marvelous in these industries. Moon. Abundance is flowing. Abundance flow. Why? It is the cash flow number. The moon number is the abundant cash flow number. Okay, the abundant cash flow number. Cash flows to it very marvelously. Just performing the things as it flows cash, as it is mother number. So easily everything flows to the number very powerfully. It is the mother number. So mother gives everyone very powerfully, very lovingly, very easily. Performing these certain things is like mother is saying, hey, you are here with the mother. All the qualities of mother. Perform all the qualities of mother things is. All the loving qualities like singing, entertainment, dancing, enjoying, gardening. Mother in a kingly attitude in the king's empire do all the things of diplomacy, management of the whole houses, like management of the businesses also managed by whole. They roam in the gardens, they understand the vegetation, they go with understand Homo sapiens, they understand any humans very easily, powerfully. In the they understand businesses also of the king's businesses. All the businesses are understood very easily by moon. Okay, so thereafter what happens? They are very travel lover, so they move into travelings, long travels. So they must enter into travel industries, long travels, deep travels, longer travels. They must enter into for businesses. Fashion industry, they are aesthetic, they are very lavish, luxurious lovers, as they live with kings, queen. So they are lover of lavish things, luxurious things, sensual things, jewelry items, lavish items, household items, lavish items, household items, luxurious items, jewelry items. All the household items are covered. All the beauty items, they are feminines, they love their beauty, they love their charm. They love their beauty, they love their charm. So they must focus in these aspects. Their beauty, their charm, their grooming number. It is the number of grooming. Okay. Psychological number. It understands the psyche of anyone. It understands scenario society in a psychological way. It is a giving number. It is a humanitarian number. It is a service oriented number. It is a hospitality number. It is a service number. It is a hospitality number. It is a highly spiritual number. It is an enlightenment number. It is an enlightenment. Moon is the enlightenment number. It is the highly psychic number. It is highly depth number. It is highly so-called reading in between the line numbers. All the qualities of the moon must be applied to get ahead for earning currency here. All the qualities must be applied. For example, a psychological department, a whole big psychological world open, where psychology teaching is there, or psychological counseling is there, or psychological understanding is there, or psychological awareness is spreading. These things as institutions must be established by number moon. Very empoweringly I am saying it. Very empoweringly. Spiritual places must be open by moon. Spiritual places must be open where one can go meditate and do all the yogas and meditations and all these things is for mental peace and all. Okay, it is highly abundant cash flow numbers. It moves into cash also. The financial sector to hold. Moon holds the financial sectors also very powerfully. With name number sun, they do everything here. They become versatile of all. When they apply sun in their name, as much sectors are there with them, more and more opening. They are adaptable, means they adapt to any sector. And do anything very marvelous. They are inventors, they are innovators. They think in a creative way, very open way, very dynamic way. Their escape of canvas is very open. Their scape of canvas is very open. Moon's canvas of scape is very open. Okay? And they do mysticism, occultism. Their magical subconscious connection is there. Whatever they say, whatever